Hi, I'm Divya Sharma, also known as Dr. Bowl, and welcome to Small Budget, Big Flavours, where I'll be showing you how to combine great food and fine dining all in a cost-effective way. And today I'm going to be showing you how to create a perfect meal for toddlers. I'll be making spinach and sweet corn fritters. These fritters are packed with protein from the egg and vitamin C from the veggies, making this meal really nutritious for your toddler. So we've got all our ingredients here. All we need to do is pop them in the blender, blitz, it's that simple. So I'm just popping the sweet corn into the blender. I'm using tinned sweet corn, but you could use fresh or even frozen. Or if you don't have any sweet corn, you could use any other vegetable, for example, peas or even carrots. Crack in an egg and some flour and a garlic clove, some baking powder, some milk, 1 spring onion chopped, and a handful of spinach. And now we're ready to blitz. So now our batter is ready. We can start making our fritters. So the first step is we just need to heat our pan on medium-high heat and pop some oil on. So now all we need to do is spoon out our batter, pop it on the frying pan and just cook it for about 1 or 2 minutes on each side. We've cooked it for about 2 minutes now, so we're ready to flip over. And now you can see it's got that really crispy browned effect. That's exactly what we're looking for. So there you have it. When I was weaning my toddler, this was one of my go-to recipes as they're so quick and easy to make, plus they make a great finger food. Also, my husband's a massive fan of this recipe, so happy faces all round.